All right, guys, episode 2 on the way. Look at this, new microphone. I got vaccinated. We are ready. Let's take a look. I'm thinking just some anatomy on that nose, maybe a little more shadow. This highlights on the lip are great. You don't need that little hairline up top. So I mean it's good as is, but here's what I'm suggesting: throw a shadow over her eyes, because look at the opportunity it gives us to really make those whites pop. So very good, love it. Hey, I like this surreal painting. It's something very interesting about the painterly feel. If it's not a book cover and you're leaving room for the title, I would go ahead and throw some darkness just to push that stuff in the background. And yeah, actually I put some in the foreground too, just to give a nice focal point here, which is my point. I think you need something here in the middle. I don't know what it is, but overall, very good, man. Keep it up. I want to point out right now that the subtleties on this side of the face are, yes, very, very good job. Okay, so a couple ideas. I got a couple notes here. Let's go. I think the eyebrow, but let's get back to that. The ear, let's just commit to it and let's show something over there. And then the nose, yeah, give me some value here. You don't really need line like what I'm doing, but the little bit of anatomy at the tip of the nose would be helpful, I think. Would make that look a little better. And then this part of the forehead, I'm not sure. I didn't know what's going on there, but now I know it's part of his bald spot. So just smooth that out so we know what's going on. And now the eyebrow, it feels like I need to continue it, but maybe that was in his likeness. So I really love this piece. Good job on it.